Hello guys, my name is Nilamante and I'm gonna do a sit down vlog. Akong pinaka first time nga bubuhat og sit down vlog. Maglingkod ako in front of the camera and then magyaw-yaw lang og bisag unsa what happened throughout the day, about what happened to a certain event. Today is a very special day. Mono jeep agabot ako diri sa boarding house. Please don't mind lang sa mga bitay-bitay sa liyo, and of course kanang akong phone mo reflect sa akong eyeglasses, so dili ninyo kaayo makita ako ang beautiful eyes. Bitaw, nag-vlog ko karon because I would like just to share about what happened earlier sa work. So, by the way, it's November 2 right now. It's 7 in the morning. That's why mauli pagabot ako diri sa boarding house, and I decided to do this sit down vlog right now. It's night shift man ko from 9 in the evening up to 6 in the morning. So eventually it's November 1st yesterday. Our company decided nga mag contest me for a Halloween costume. We do some trivia, like kung kinsa maka-answer kay na a certain prize, and we do have also a raffle. Of course, the basic raffle and then na prize ang mabunutan. So luckily, during our first set of trivia, 9 in the evening but morning US time, nag-trivia me about Halloween. Ako, of course, naka-answer ko sa first question. I do have a prize. So kami ang mamili sa prize. Either it's food, na mga foods itong pilian, na ay kanang murag plant nga gamay. I don't know if tinuod or di nga murag pang design lang sa imong table. Napoy kanang mga keychain. Wala na akong matanaw kayo kung unsa to nga design nga mga keychain. Na ay deodorant. And then na ay facial wash. I've decided nga akong kuha kay facial wash, thinking nga mga to siya kinamahalan among sa mga gipapilian nga mga prizes. I'm going to show you kung unsa to siya. Balay. Yeah, this is actually coming from Yoyoso. It says right here, it's Yoyoso for men, moisture cleansing. Napay price na yun. Or na siya gi-price nako with a Z. Yan apay price with a C sa Leo. So it's 149 mapalit sa Yoyo. So I'm so sorry guys if dili kay siya maklaro sa video, kay I'm just using my phone to record this vlog. I don't have the camera yet, so kuan lang sa ta, mantinod lang sa tag cellphone ani. It's Yoyoso for men's moisture cleansing cream. And naigibutang sa loyo nga name ani nga product is in Korean. It says here Han Shang Moisture Cleansing Cream. So instruction is literally facial cleanser siya, kay ingon diri nga wet your face and then take amount of this product on your palm, and then add water, rub, and then gently massage onto your face, and then wash with water after. So basically cleanser siya from Yoyoso, and I don't know if effective ni para sa kuha, kay well, makikita man ninyo sa mga video na sensitive
kuno hay og skin mo nang dali ra bugas. So
well, anyway, I'll try to make another video for review kuno hay for this prize I got from the trivia earlier. After that, we do have another session for trivia raffle. Sa raffle wala ko nabunutan, but later on mag-raffle pa daw. So hopefully mabunutan ko and at least makakuha another item. And then after shift, well, this is actually the main event because wala akong mag-expect ani. They actually created an event or took this event, the Halloween event, nga maghatag og reward to recognize the agents, the leads. And as you notice, alimuot kaayo kay akong gipang ang electric fan kay mao rin yung ma-record sa video if mo na pasikaon. So I'm so sorry guys, pasagdi na lang ako ang wet face. Akong hair kay dry kaayo pero madarag smile. And then again pasagdi na mga bitay-bitay sa kilid. Wow. Anyway, let's proceed. So after after shift, we've extended like 30 minutes. Can I special award nga buhaton for all and also for the Halloween costume presentation. Kaya na ay mga representative who really do the makeup for the Halloween. Na ay si Dracula with the props, with supporting actors like naa si Queen of Hearts. I don't know what's the name, but Queen of Hearts siya from Alice in Wonderland. But anyway, moto siya after the presentation of costumes. Then nag-award na. Grammy award goes to for our team. I got this recognition for being the top performer for the month of October. I got this one. And then aside from this one, of course, aside from the certificate itself, nasa hatag nga. Yeah, if you see here, it's collections top performer. Collections top performer because mo na yung name sa mong team collections. And then inside this is a gift certificate worth 300 pesos. At least I do have 300. Bali. SM gift pass. And dili lang siya actually sa SM yung mo ma-redeem multiple stores. I don't know if asa pa but ako yan lantawan later. I really appreciate sa ilang pag-recognize sa efforts sa mga tao, sa efforts sa mga team leads, because team leads to have a recognition as well. And thank you for recognizing our hard works, our dedication. Wow, dedication. Lit magod kayo guys if nanarba ko pag maayo and then gi-recognize and gi-appreciate literally towards nimo or towards imong colleague from the higher management. Okay, it means that you know that nakita nila kung unsa hard work sa imong trabaho. Guys, sa mga taga-management level dira, please do recognize the employees sa ilang pagka-hard work o sa ilang pagka-dedicated sa ilang work, because that really helps each and everyone nga mo do more pag yun sa ilang work. I think that's it for now. Alimutan kayo and then gidukan aside ko. Yeah, I believe that's it for now. So once again guys, if you like this video and if you haven't watched yet our previous videos, you can just visit my channel, click subscribe. I do have actually some pending videos on my phone nga dapat pa na ko i-edit. Unfortunately, wala pa na ako na edit. Kaya if you notice na ako video special Nilamanti Vlog Edition, which is bunyag sa akong nephew. Yeah, nag-edit ko ato. So, video po nga perting taasa, but that's fine. It's worth it. So karon, I think I need to say goodbye na shoot kay hopefully tira makita sa video nga akong kalimut kasi god kay niltrip po na akong ipalong.
Please like, comment, subscribe.
And don't forget to ring the bell. Anyway, mara to, and thank you so much sa mga basher dira. Please also comment below.